Hey gamers, today I'm gonna be saying a very sad story. This is a story that comes from my heritage. It's very sad. It's very sad, and it's very sad, and it is very sad. Okay, so this story starts out when I was like 18 years old. At this age, I was pretty dumb, still learning the ropes. So like this one day, my friend Bobby Shoesmall24 called me on my Little Tykes phone, okay? He asked me if I was down to order a dark web mystery box at 3 a.m. Of course, I replied with, "Hell yeah!" He told me we would be doing it on the 13th of Friday this month. I hung up, extremely excited for the time to come. It was only in 3 days. It had been 3 days. I was super duper excited. I got a text from Bobby telling me to meet in Sesame Street in the sketchiest alleyway. Thrilled, I drove there as quickly as I could. When I arrived, it was 2:45, and we decided to order it. The estimated time for arrival was 15 minutes. It was looking good, as it was just in time for 3 a.m. We waited for a bit, playing Fortnite Mobile on our phones, when somehow it arrived in about 5. When we got our first Vicroy, we heard a loud clanging sound from behind us. "What the fuck was that sound?" Bobby said, sounding petrified. We turned around, seeing a box labeled Dark Web Mystery Box. Scary! I turned and looked at Bobby. He did the same thing. We both cheered excitedly and had a dick battle. It finally turned to 3 a.m. We decided that it was time to unbox the mystery box. Bobby was still pretty pale, so I decided to open it first since I was an expert with box cutters. The box felt leathery and like cardboard. It was heavy and sealed shut with some white liquid. I quickly sliced it open, revealing the horrors inside. There was a My Little Pony doll with its head chopped off. I got so scared that I threw the box in the air, and it fell on the ground. And the even more horrifying horrors unraveled. There was a McDonald's Happy Meal, and inside the Happy Meal was a keypad. Bobby was very curious what would happen, so he pressed on the keypad 9849. And then, in a voice that sounded like The Rock, it said, "Evil Ben 10 armed." Bobby screamed as a bald man ran up to us with a knife. He started rambling about us being idiots, and that soon we would be killed. I wasn't really listening because I kept thinking about the McDonald's Happy Meal. It was so bloody. So bloody? Bobby saw something was wrong, so he trick-shotted the man with his intervention and looked for the Happy Meal. I decided it was time to snap out of it, but I couldn't. Suddenly, I heard footsteps racing towards us. I heard The Rock's voice again say, "Evil Ben 10 has been launched. Prepare for your ass beating." Out from the shadows, I saw Ben 10! He had a huge smile with large teeth and red eyes. I was horrified, finally realizing he was running at us to kill us. Bobby finally found the Happy Meal and pulled me away as I pissed my pants. He quickly took us to his car. We got in the car. I was crying. Ben 10 was getting closer and I could hear the theme song inching ever closer. We got in the car. My pants were soaked in piss. Bobby frantically started the car and decided to open the Happy Meal. He was so close now. My boner grew bigger. I looked at Bobby. He looked quite surprised. Ben 10 was meters away now. Bobby showed me inside the Happy Meal, and you wouldn't believe what I found.